Hello everyone and welcome, and today I'm going to walk you through. I'm going to do a quick review on Plaud AI. Now you see Plaud AI offers a lot of things. I'm about to find out what they are. They are AI powered voice recording. That's right. With non-casting technology, it has dual recording mode actually. Yes, with ambient sound capture and call recording via vibrational conduction sensor VCS. It also has automatic transcription, AI summarization, Ask AI feature. Yes, it has mind mapping. It has long battery life and storage because it offers up to 30 hours of continuous recording and 60 days of standby time with 64 gigabytes of on-device storage up to 480 hours of audio, and you have unlimited cloud storage. You can see it here. So next, it is compact, and it is, if you get the Plaud Note, it's credit card size and attaches magnetically to your phones. It's also the Plaud Note pin, so also a wearable device. So it is very suitable for recording meetings, calls, interviews, and all that. It's also good for private. It's also privacy focused, so there's a control over data. It has its mobile and web apps version, and it also has a free and paid plan. So what are you waiting for? Get started today.